search engine optimization for your website images. Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, and in this video I'm speaking about search engine optimization. You can actually optimize your images before you upload them to your website, and in this video I'm going to show you how. Alright, so in this video I'm speaking about how you can optimize an image before you even upload it to your website. Now don't get me wrong, once you upload your image to your platform, whatever platform it is that you're using to build your website, it might be WordPress, it might be Joomla, it might be Wix or Weebly. Once you actually upload the image there, it's going to give you options as well to optimize that image further. So it's going to ask you to tag that image and so on and so forth, and you want to go through those steps as well, and maybe I'll be doing a video on that in a later video. But in this video I'm speaking about SEO for your images before you even upload them to your particular site. So what you want to do is hover over the image in question, and you want to right click, and then you want to go down to where it says properties. You want to click on properties, and the first thing I'll say is you want to name the image something related to your keyword. So in this particular image example, I've got email list tips, and if that was a keyword that I was trying to aim for, then that would be something that I would want to name the image. And then when you go to details here, you can actually add a title as well. So again, I might have email list tips, or my top 2 email list tips here if that was my particular keyword I was going for. And then you can have a subject, which kind of you can see as kind of like a subtitle as well. You can give yourself a 5-star rating. That doesn't really necessarily affect your rankings. But what will is your tags. So here you can add tags about what that image is about. So for me, it might be email marketing, it might be email list tips, it might be building an email list. So all those types of tags. So for example, email list tips, that's one tag, and then I can use a comma, email marketing, and then comma. And you're going to want to go and do this for all of the keywords that are related to this image. You're going to want to put them here. And then in this comment section here, you can add a description basically about what this image is about. Obviously using keywords, but not keyword stuffing, but using keywords in that section that make sense to the image in question. But also obviously highlight keywords as and when you can. Authors, you can put yourself there if this is an image that you have taken. And you want to fill out these information as well at, you know, what, as it is applicable. So the date that it was taken, date that it was acquired if you purchased the item, copyright details if there are any copyright details. And there's other things here that you can add as well, but these are kind of less related to search engine optimization, so you can more or less leave everything else out of this. But you can just quickly do these to your images before you upload them to your site, just to give them a better opportunity of ranking in search engines and search results, basically for keywords that are important to you and to your business. And once you have finished entering all of your information, you want to make sure you click this apply button so everything is saved. So once you upload it to your site, all of the information that you've put there has actually been saved. So hopefully you gained a lot of value from this video, and you can now go away and optimize some of your website images before you upload them to your site to give your site a better opportunity of ranking for keywords that are important to you and to your business. If you did find this video helpful, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.